Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer eLearning. So in this video we are going to learn MySQL. So I already uploaded a video where you can able to see how to install MySQL DB in your system. Then this will be the second video where we will able to see like how to connect with DB. So I'm sharing this presentation. So in this tutorial, so as you know, I'll going to provide full course of MySQL DB where you will able to learn these things. So first video I already uploaded where you can able to see like how to install MySQL DB in your system. Then in this video, this will be the second video, second part of this course. So in this video, you will able to see these things, how to connect with database, how to exit from database, and how to see version or current date of the database, how to show all the databases exist in our DB, and how to create new database, how to use database, how to drop database. So these things we are going to cover in this video. So okay, so we can start without any delay. If you did not subscribe our channel till now, so please subscribe our channel to watch other video as well. So in this channel you can see so many things, so many study material are there in this channel. So Excel related, banking related, chat GPT, Linux command. If you can see variety of the knowledge in this channel. You can subscribe this channel and you can share this channels and this video with your friends and family, so that they can also able to get the knowledge related to all these things. So let's start. So now we are going to connect, how to connect DB. So we need to I'm using command prompt to connect the DB. So what we need to do, so we need to type while we are going to connect. So how to connect, so I'll elaborate in detail. So we need to type MySQL. So this is the command how to connect DB. MySQL, we are going to connect MySQL DB. Then I'm using this -u, this tag used for user. So I'm using root user to connect the DB. Then -p, -p tag used to put the password. So once I'll click on enter, then we will able to see it will asking, it will ask for password. So I need to enter password for this root user. So remember that we are going to connect, DB using root user. So we need to put root password. So I am going to put root password here. So yeah, so we have connected with MySQL database. So now we have connected with MySQL. So first command, we can see the databases. So we can simply type show database, DATABASES, show databases. Once I'll enter, so we can see here there are the 4 databases right now in our DB. So second command, how to create database, or we can see here how to quit database. So I entered with this so if I want to quit, so we need to type simply quit. If I want to exit from this database, so once I'll quit, then we will exit from the database. So I'm again going to connect with database. So I'm again connected with database. So database, I already use this command, used to show the databases. Another thing, say we want to see the versions, if we want to see the version and current date of the database, then in this case we can type this command. Then we will able to see the what is the current version of the database and what is the current date. So we can able to see this is the current date and this is the current version of the database. So and another things we are going to learn in this video, how to create database and how to drop the database. So to creating a database, so we need to type create database, then database name, I'm typing test db. Once I'll enter, so this database with test db name will be created. So I am typing so databases, There is a typo error, databases. uh, we can see here previously, you know uh, it was the 4 databases. So we can see here we have created this test database, test db, with the name test db. So we can see here this database has been created now. So here, we learned like how to create database. Then if we are going to delete a database or we want to drop a database, so in this video we are going to learn these things. So last one will be the drop database or use database. We already learned how to use the database and drop the database. So use the database. So currently there are 5 databases. Which database we need to use? We need to type use and we need to type db name. So we can see here now database, we are in this test db. If we are going to drop a database, drop database is the very critical command. Be careful while going to drop a database. It means we are deleting the database. If we are going to delete all the data tables and related to data in table will be deleted, or we will not able to recover that data. So be careful while going to delete a database. So how to delete the database? So we need to type drop database and database name. So we are going to delete this test db. So this database has been deleted now. If we are going to run this command show databases, we can see here test db is not there now. So this database has been deleted now. So okay friends, thanks for watching computer e-learning.